Types of jewelry according to body parts. 1. Earring. A piece of jewelry used to embellish the ears is called an earring. Although any portion of the ear can be pierced, the earlobe is typically where earrings are worn. 2. Necklace. Necklaces are the ideal accessory for special occasions as well as everyday use, since they are a simple way to add a dash of elegance and glitz to any ensemble. 3. Bracelet. As a piece of jewelry intended to be worn on the wrist, bracelets highlight a person's wrist. 4. Rings. Rings are sometimes known as finger rings, since they are worn on the fingers. 5. Anklet. An ornament worn around the ankle is known as an anklet. Women wear formal anklets made of silver, gold, or beads as fashion jewelry. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.